Elections are tonight, and if you did a swing trade, you deserve to lose. Losing remains a choice. What is going on, traders? We guys crushed it today. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the trades the Daily Sniper Discord ended up taking, as well as preparing you guys for the best setups at the best prices. Let's get into it. So, I went with the trend today. I told you guys I was going to wait, have patience. 15 minutes into market open, I'm going to do my thing. Boom. We ended up breaking upwards. We came back down to retest 572. I ended up buying calls, made a freaking boatload of money. Okay. I ended up going 3 for 4 on the day today. I'm going to show you my losing trade because I'm transparent as possible. We ended up ripping up to 574.50. I alerted to the Discord. My 30-minute chart is telling me 575 to 576. First thing in the morning. And that's exactly what ended up happening in the most bullish case scenario. Exactly what happened. So we ended up hitting one of our key levels, 574.50. We ended up coming back down. We came back up. I ended up getting puts, and I lost here. Okay, stopped out. I stopped out extremely quickly. We came right back down to 573.76, a key level that I ended up alerting calls again, guys, and we made a bag yet again. The last trade I ended up getting into, I did this solo. I'm not bragging about it, but I also pointed out to the Discord, right? I told everyone the 4-hour time frame is extremely bullish. The next stop, if we hold here, is going to be 580. Okay? 4 hours, extremely bullish. 576 is a massive resistance. If we hold here, 580 is the next stop. But this is a good risk to reward with safe contract puts. And they were expensive today. I didn't make as much as I was anticipating, but I still ended up having a 4-figure day on a small account. So I'm extremely grateful, extremely blessed, and extremely satisfied with how I ended up trading today. So let's look at the chart. We ended up breaking macro resistance. Okay, so is this just for a rally for the debate or for the election, or is this an actual move that's going to continue on? So what I like to do, I always like to take a look at Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is chilling around just under 70,000. I feel like Bitcoin is going to skyrocket very soon, because we've just been holding these levels. So there's two ways this could pan out. So we either fail to break out, and if you can't break out, we break down, or we ripped, consolidate, and ready for the next leg higher to all-time highs. And I use Bitcoin as a liquidity tool, right? I see that money is in the market. Money pumped the market. Bitcoin went almost 3x this year, and it's holding at near all-time highs, which could be very bullish, right? Especially if we try to make all-time highs again, it's going to rocket. If Trump wins, I have a feeling Bitcoin's going to pump to 80,000, 90,000. Just my personal opinion. If Trump wins tomorrow, I think we get a ripped past 580. I think we open above 580 tomorrow. We could open above 580 to 584, like in a freaking bullish case scenario, right? If Kamala wins, whatever the hell her name is, I could see us having a deep sell-off. So this is all speculation, of course, right? This is just from me having time in the markets, been trading around election dates. This is just my expert opinion, hypothesis of what could potentially happen. I don't know, so let's play our levels. I don't want to give you too many levels, but 580 is a massive, massive level of resistance. If we break through 580, we're going to 583. And if you just zoom out, 583 to 584, previous resistance, previous resistance, previous resistance, previous resistance, right? So we know 583 to 584 in that price range is going to be perfect for puts, right? Potentially safe puts, not same days, preferably a week, 2 weeks out, depending on how jacked up the IV is. Today's next day contracts were like $6-7. It was crazy. So that's what I am focusing on. To the downside, what are we going to be paying attention to? Look at this little buy zone that we have here. Ready? 570 to 571 to 570. Nice little pocket here. Let's go down a little lower. 568.50s. Great level to potentially 5 as soon as the break under 567. I don't want to give you a trading plan tomorrow. It's going to be volatile. Tomorrow's video is going to be perfect, guys. We're going to wait for an overreaction. We're going to be able to analyze the market in its entirety. And tomorrow's video is going to be more educational. I just in here to show you what Sniper University did today. We absolutely crushed it day in and day out. Real time, real money, guys. And I'm crushing it, right? I'm trading with a smaller account. I've been recording everything. And today, my $10,000 account, I made almost like 1,600 USD. I crushed it today. Doesn't happen every day. Got extremely lucky. Making almost 20% of your account is kind of far-fetched, but I did it today. I'm just being transparent as possible. So I got a crazy video coming. I grew an account from 2,700 USD to over $22,000. Took the money out, started back again with 5, went down a little bit, ended up bringing that over 10, took out 5, ended up starting at like $3,500, brought that back up to 7 or 8, took it out. So the way I've been trading this, guys, is I'm making money and pulling it out of the markets. A lot of traders, right? I had a heart-to-heart with the Discord today because I see a lot of traders trying to go so big so quickly. The day trading life, right? Like what we do, what I do personally as a professional day trader who trades. This is my opinion, the way how you should handle the situation. I'm not a financial advisor. So when you start trading, you start dabbling into day trading, into swing trading, your main focus is to add an extra stream of income to your already salary, right? Your income. You want to make a little bit extra, okay? Once you start taking seriously and you start getting good at it, that's when you're able to bridge from, instead of working 8 hours a day, making $200 a day, right? I'm just hypothetically, right? Now I have the tools to replace my income. I don't have to work 8 hours anymore. I may have to work 30 minutes. It could be 5 minutes, right? I don't want to sell you guys a fake, false dream, but it's my reality. So I'm just telling you how I did it. So you start adding an extra stream of income. Then you start getting good. You're starting to understand market structure. You're starting to understand self-discipline, right? You're starting to believe in yourself more. And that's when you could start bridging to, okay, if I make $200 a day, I've been doing pretty decent lately. Now I want to replace my income. Okay? So you don't go from working to, I want to make thousands of dollars a day. You want to replace your income. Try to replace your income. And you got to do this while you're working. I'm not telling you to quit your jobs just because you have money in your account and just be free. You start creating consistency, right? You start building your account bigger and bigger. You start gaining the confidence that you need. And then you can leave your job. And now instead of working 8 hours a day, you're at home and you may work 5 to 30 minutes, okay? After that stage, once your account starts growing immensely, that's when you could start trying to make a little bit of more money with proper risk management. Okay? So remember, there's a process to being a day trader. You can't, if I give a random person here $100,000 to trade with, they're probably going to blow it up. Like if I give it to some of my best friends that know me and I try to teach them, they're probably going to blow it up. It's a learning curve. It's a steady, consistent grind. You gotta, don't rush the process. So many traders are rushing the process. They're trying to get rich quick. This is not a get rich quick scheme. I literally showed in the Discord today, guys. I'll show you guys too, because I really don't care. So I barely passed high school, guys. I had a slow start in life financially, for sure. I used to make like $20 an hour working construction here and there. So I just wanted to show a tax return that I did. This is from 2017. I ended up making $19,000 Canadian, right? Take that in. So like 14,000 USD. Now I'm lucky enough that I'm making this salary almost bi-weekly now from the way I am trading. And this is not to show off and to stunt on people. I just want to know that, let you guys know that no matter where you are in life, like that was me 7 years ago. I was in my mid-20s, guys. No matter where you are going, whatever you're going through in life, whatever stage you are in life, as you own a house, you're renting a house, you don't have capital, or you're living with your parents, anything is possible within time. 7 years, guys. 7 years it took me to change my life. Okay? Now, I am able to take care of my family, take care of my loved ones. It's not just an upstage from having no money to money. It's having a little bit of money, being brokered and broker, having more money and then being back to flat broke, having more money thinking you're top shit and lose everything again. It's not a freaking straight up, right? It's a nice little uptrend. But the down is a freaking knife. No matter what. It's a knife down. So we always want to stay with the trend. We want to be consistent. A nice, easy way up, guys. If I can do it, you can do it. I barely passed high school, guys. My name is Steven, also known as Sniper, and I own the Daily Sniper. We are here to teach everyone how to properly invest, whether it's short-term investing, long-term investing. The strategies that we use, that we teach day to day, can be used on the 1 minute time frame and can be used on the daily time frame or the monthly, guys. We are here to help you guys. If you guys would like to learn more about this and how we teach and give us a shot, the first link in the bio. And that is it, guys. We do have a coupon code going on right now. I will keep that in the description below. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for taking your time to like, comment, and subscribe. Even watch it. Even if you do none of it, if you learned something from it, just give me a thumbs up, guys. You don't got to comment anything. But this channel has grown 15x since last year, 1 year ago today. I'm very grateful. I'm very blessed. And this just goes to show that consistency is everything in life. You need to be consistent regardless of what you want to be, whether you want to be a professional athlete, whether you want to be a valedictorian, a freaking doctor. I don't care what the hell you want to do. It's all about consistency. And it took me so late in life to understand that, okay? I want everyone watching, I don't care if you're 50, 60 years old, anything is possible. What I did in the last 7 years, you guys can do too. I'm nothing special. I just dedicated my life to this, guys. So that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Tomorrow's video is going to be a lot more education, less of a TED Talk, but thank you guys. Link is in the bio. Take care, everyone.